Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to read our second chapter, The Hawks and Their Friends. This story is based on friendship. So, this story tells us about why the friendship is important, why a friend is important in our life. So, let's begin our chapter. And in this chapter, we have some characters. The Hawks family means the parents and their young ones. Hawks are the beautiful brown colored bird, the kingfisher, the lion, the turtle, and the three hunters. So let's begin the story. Once in a great forest, the hawk family lived happily on a tree. The parents hawk, took care of their young ones very tenderly. They all loved each other very much. One day, Mother Hawk asked Father Hawk, "We do not have any friends nearby. It will be good if we have some friends." The father hawk liked the idea that was suggested by Mother Hawk, and he set off from his place to meet the birds and animals lived nearby places. The first he went to the kingfisher, and then he went to the lion, and then to the turtle. Soon he became friend with all the three. One day, three hunters came to the forest to hunt. They roamed here and there for the whole day, but they did not find anything. They did not want to go back to their home empty handed, so they decided to move to the bank of the river. They went to the bank of the river, but still they did not find anything. So they decided to stay under that tree and spend the whole night there. So as they were sleeping under that tree, mosquitoes bothered them, and they slept under the very same tree on which hawk family lived where their lived with their young ones. The hunters who were bothered by the mosquitoes, they decided to lit the fire to drive the mosquitoes away. But as soon as they lit the fire with the smoke, the baby hawks woke up and they started crying. The hunter heard their noise and they got very excited as they thought that they will have the young ones, young babies, in their breakfast. But Mother Hawk heard their frightful conversation and she asked the Father Hawk to go to the Kingfisher and asked for his help. Father Hawk immediately went to Kingfisher and Kingfisher assured him for his help. He came to the place, he came to that spot and he tried to put out the fire by soaking his wings into the water and by beating his wings on the fire. He did this many times. Again and again, the hunter put on the fire and the kingfisher soaked his wings in the water and put out the fire. But till midnight, the kingfisher got tired. Mother Hawk saw this. Mother Hawk saw this and informed Father Hawk that Kingfisher is now tired. We should call to our other friend. Then Father Hawk decided to move to Turtle to ask for help. He quickly flew from his place and reached to Turtle. The turtle asked him that he will definitely help him and go back to your he asked him to go back to his family and console them. Console means to make comfortable them. The turtle also saw that Kingfisher got tired, and meanwhile, one of the hunters tried to climb the tree to catch the birds. At the very same moment, the turtle asked the kingfisher to take some rest, and he decided to go to the bank and collected some mud and put on the fire to put it out. This action of the turtle shifted the focus of the hunter from the hawk's baby towards the turtle, and now they decided to kill this turtle and have that turtle in their breakfast. So they decided to catch the turtle, but the turtle was too smart for them to be caught by them. They were needed a net to catch the turtle, but at that time they had no nets with them. So they took some vines. Vines means are the branches of grape trees. They tore their clothes into the string. String means into a thread, and to make a net. But when they had put the net all over the turtle, they could not roll him over. Instead, turtle suddenly dove down into the deep water, and the men were so eager to get him, and that day they did not let go of the net. So they went into the water too, but it was all in vain. For to find the turtle, they also went in the water, but all in they could not find the turtle, and they could not catch the turtle. They thought that now they will build another fire, and then they will sleep, and in morning they will have the young hawks, means the baby hawks, and they begin to build another fire. But mother hawk again heard their conversation. They Mother hawk heard their planning about eating, about killing his babies. Then she got really scared, and she asked the father hawk that now again they want to eat our babies. So now you have to go to the lion and tell him about the danger in which they are in, and seek help from him. Soon the lion came to the spot, and he was roaring, and with his roaring sound all the hunter got scared, and they start running. They ran as fast as they could, and then no hunter was seen over there. They all ran away. Then the hawk family uh, regard the hawk family show their regards towards their friends, and they said that they are really appreciating their efforts of saving them, and they have also proved that friends in need are the friend in need. This means the real friends are those who always provide your help when you are in need, when you are in danger, or when you need the help, and they provide their help to you. It this So this was the end of the story. Now they all lived happily together. So we have learned from this chapter that friendship is really important in our life. A friend is a person who always stand by your side and never leave you when you are in need. He always comfort you, always take care of you, always try to drive the best in you. So we should be friends with others. We should never hate anyone. We should help others. We should be polite to others, and we should be friend with others. Thank you.